Now here's Mario and the chef with Sunday Brunch.
All right, we've got a sweet one on the table. Chef Frank Tourneau from My Classic Cooking is here with...
How are you?
Good.
Okay, this is called pain de chocolat framboise. Or
fancy, fancy.
chocolate puff pastry with raspberries.
Okay.
I mean, it depends on how you want to say. I mean, you want
like
to
it.
sound fancy or good. All right, now, when you buy puff pastry, it comes, you get 2 sheets in a box, and they're a fold. They have to fold them so they don't lock.
Right.
So when you open up the fold, you're going to have 3 division lines. You're going to cut each division line, so that's going to give you 6. Then you're going to roll out each division a little bit thinner, cut that in half, so technically out of each half shell, you're going to get 6. So you're going to get 12 out of a box. So this is what it looks like. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make just some simple slashes on one side. Nutella. I mean, how can you not like Nutella?
That's for sure.
Then after you have the Nutella, then we're going to add, this is a really decent one. This is a really good raspberry jam. Now, we're going to take and we're going to pop in a couple of fresh raspberries. I was very surprised. The raspberries are running really, really good at the store. So, little chocolate bits. And then we have just a little bit of egg wash. And then just going to fold it in half so the cuts are on the top. And then go right around, put them on a sheet pan, 400 degrees in the oven, brush the top with some more egg wash and hit it with a little bit of the
sugar.
Yeah, a little bit of the caster sugar, or the crystal sugar rather, and you're ready to go. That's all there is to it.
I love the tartness of the raspberry with the sweet.
Well, the
chocolate.
sweet, yeah, the Nutella is very sweet. The raspberry jam is very sweet. It was a good quality raspberry jam, but it's really, I mean, technically, 1 box will make 12 with ease.
Oh my God,
2,
so
4,
good.
6, 8. I wanted to test, make sure it was safe to eat before I bought them in the studio.
One missing?
Yeah, but that's all right. I mean, you know, you got 3, 6, 8. You got a bunch of them. You can have a ball after.
Just got a nice chunk of that Nutella. So good.
Yeah, it is. The Nutella is really, really nice.
What do we call it?
Actually, it's called pain de chocolat, or chocolate. It's supposed to be almost like it's like a puff pastry, or croissant in some cases.
Must be on our website.
Turner10.com.
We'll see you next week.
And we'll be here.